Central part of atom, it is called as, what is it? Nuclei. So here general representation of nuclei, representation of nucleus, it is Z of X A. Z is nothing but atomic number, right? X nucleus, A atomic mass, atomic mass, it is equivalent to what is it? Number of protons, it is equivalent to number of electrons. Okay, so number of protons plus number of electrons. Here it is equivalent to number of protons or number of electrons. Here A minus Z, that is equal to number of neutrons. Okay, so this is nucleus representation. So charge of the nucleus, it is equal to, that is Q is equal to Z into E. Z is atomic number, E is the charge of electron, charge of nucleus, right? Radius, radius of the nucleus, it is equal to R is equal R naught into A to the power of 1 by 3. R is directly proportional to A to the power of 1 by 3. Here R naught is constant, 1.1 into 10 power of minus 15 meters. This is fixed value, closest approach value. Radius of the nucleus, here surface area is 4 pi into R square. Okay, surface area is directly proportional to R square. Therefore, surface area is directly proportional to R value. You can substitute here A to the power of 2 by 3. Next, volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi R cube. Therefore, volume is directly proportional to R cube. Here V is directly proportional to A to the power of 1 by 3 whole cube. 3 get cancel. V is directly proportional to A. Okay, now next, a nucleus is, what is it? Broken up into two fragments. So mass of this first fragment is m1, m2. Velocity is, what is it? v1. Velocity is v2. Here radius of this nucleus are r1 and r2. Here radius and velocity ratio, according to law of conservation of linear momentum, m1 v1 is equal to m2 into v2. So therefore m is nothing but, what is it? Mass. Mass is equivalent to 4 by 3 pi into r1 cube into v1 is equal to 4 by 3 pi into r2 cube into v2. Here r1 cube into v1 is equal to r2 cube into v2. v1 by v2 is equal to r2 by r1 whole cube. Okay, it is directly proportional to a2 by a1 whole power 3. Next, okay, so here natural radioactivity, radioactivity means a nucleus spontaneously disintegrate with itself and it is converted into new nucleus. That is called, what is it? Radioactivity. So radioactive decay law, formula is n is equal to n naught into e to the power of minus lambda into t. Okay, so n is nothing but final number of nucleus n naught initial number of nucleus, okay, lambda decay constant, next t time, right. Next, half-life time, half-life period, half-life period, that is t half, time taken by the radioactive substance to become half. Initial number of nucleus is n naught, to become half n naught by 2, that is, what is it, half-life time, right. Then t half, time taken to become this, what is it, half of its original value. Therefore here half-life time t half is equal to 0.693 divided by lambda. This is half-life time period formula. Next, average life. Average life is nothing but total half-life span of all nucleus by the, okay, total number of nucleus, that is called average life. So tau is equal to reciprocal of decay constant. Relation is equal to t half is equal to 0.693 tau. This is relation. Next, initial number of nucleus n naught, it is becoming half, the time taken is, what is it, t half, okay. So t half of 1. Next, t half of, what is it, 2, after completion of this half life, n naught by 2 to the power of, what is it, 1, this is 2 to the power of 2. Next, so after completion of this, what is it, third half life, that is, what is it, n naught divided by 2 to the power of 3. Next, t half of this fourth, then n naught by 2 to the power of 4. Like this way n half lives, okay. So therefore n half lives, after completion of these n half lives, 2 to the power of n. So therefore n by n naught is equal to, final number of nucleus is equal to n naught by 2 to the power of n. This is final number of nucleus, okay. Fraction of nucleus formula, that is n by n naught is equal to 1 by 2 to the power of n, okay. So total number of half-lives is equal to, okay, 1 t half, 2 t half, 3 t half, that is equal to n into t half, okay. Total time taken for n completion of n half-lives. Then number of nucleus, next topic.